Hello guys. Now I have a surprise for you. Finally, it's here. Yes, as you all know that NAIJA Watch Media have hit 100,000 now, over 100,000 subscribers. So there's a reward for it. So I'm going to open this one right now. Let me open this one so that we can take this. We can take this together. Bear with me. Wow. All right, I have a letter right there coming from YouTube congratulating us. Some of the things they say right here is that do you remember your first subscriber, your first 100 subscriber, or your first 1,000 subscribers? Now you are 100,000 subscribers. Congratulations to you from YouTube team. Neil Mohan, CEO YouTube, send that to me. Now let's go to the main door. You know, this is the plate. Wow, let's take this. Now, this is it. Let me take it out. I'm so excited. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. I just want to say, every one of you that have subscribed to my channel, that have been so encouraging, that have been consecrated to my channel from the one to now, I just want to say I'm grateful. Every one of you. Without you, I would not be able to achieve this. Thank you very much for this wonderful achievement. Thank you to YouTube. Thank you for the privilege. Thanks to Almighty God. Guys, let's take it to 1 million subscribers. Thank you very much.
Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Anytime you see a person who is doing anything exceptional, it is not luck. And let me just even be bold to say it's not favor. It's not favor. It's not grace. God is not selective with grace.